Now we come to an important part of your writing, which is really the ideas. And you may have a few ideas already about the topic itself. You may think that you may have formed an opinion. You may think that children who stay at home for their studies don't benefit so much as children who stay at school, who go to school. Or you might think that going to school is really not at all useful and it's a waste of time and it would be better for a child to study at home. So you may have some opinion, but at the same time, you have to consider both the ideas. Since the topic says, what does the topic say? The advantages of both. You have to look at the advantages of both. So please don't miss out on the advantages of both these activities, these alternatives. So put down some ideas with regard to the advantages of teaching and learning at home, and then put down ideas for the advantages of going to school. Now, of course, you can put down more than 2 ideas, certainly. You can make additions to this, more ideas, but understand that when you make more ideas, you will find that that part of it becomes more important. So if you have more advantages of learning at home, then that particular aspect will become stronger. That argument will become stronger. So the more ideas you give on one argument, you will have a stronger argument there. But that doesn't mean you miss out the other aspect of the argument. You must give the other side also. Now, equally important are the examples that you give. Because remember, in the topic it was stated at the end that give examples, give reasons and give examples. So you have to give reasons why studying at home is more important. So give reasons why, in what way is it beneficial for children. And then you give a corresponding example. So the example should fit with the argument. So if you're saying that children in some countries should be educated at home, children should be educated at home, then the example here is that children who are homeschooled in some countries develop their areas of interest in a much better way. They become more excellent in their work. Now, if you are arguing that school has more advantages, in that it is much better for children to go to school, and then you can say, for instance, or for example, schools organize a lot of activities which are beneficial for the children. And you can say a school that I know, or you can even say a school that I attended, or a school that I know my friends' children have attended, or other people that I know attended them. Those schools organized quizzes, debates, and other activities. This was certainly helpful for the development of those children. So whatever example you give should fit with your argument. So as I said, that if you have more ideas and examples for one aspect, then your conclusion will be in favor of that aspect. So think about it, how many ideas you want to give and how many examples you want to give in support of those ideas. Do remember the word limit, though, because you cannot have an unlimited number of ideas and examples. So choose your examples carefully. So now you can write some examples to match each of the ideas that you have given above. Go back to the earlier exercise of developing the ideas, and you have idea 1 and A, B, C, whatever, and idea 2, in which you may have 2 ideas or 3 ideas. Accordingly, write some examples over here to match those ideas.